Hey OJ here. It's coffee time. But it's always coffee time, right? Well, we're going to do an unboxing today. So I had a company reach out to me from Smart Saker, and it's a mini chainsaw. They just wondered if I would do a review on this little mini chainsaw. And I've seen these things around before. And I thought, that's kind of a neat little thing. But when they reached out, I thought, I can do this. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like. I'm not sure if I have to charge the battery right away to get it working, but let's try it out. It's nice out today. Very big box for a little box inside. And there it is.
Mini electric chainsaw.
Yeah.
Here you go. Let's see.
Okay. Now let's. And from the time they contacted me till the time I got here, it wasn't very long. So you guys need to order one of these for doing some trimming. I have a full-size chainsaw, but
we've got lots of little branches though.
little branches.
Let's have
little battery to go with it here. Little charger. Whoop. A wrench to tighten the chain. Handy dandy little screwdriver. A little bit of oil. Yeah, there she is.
Oh, isn't that cute?
It's cute, isn't it?
Let's have a close look here. Hold it up
Hang on,
again.
hang on.
Let me see the other side of it.
This side?
Yeah, turn it, because that has the information right on there. Small enough that I could use that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Probably have to charge it. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh,
Is there a seat?
Oh,
Look at that.
look at that.
Turn it on again so I can see.
It's got a safety switch here.
Hold it the way you would if you were using it. Let's see. Alrighty, I guess we should go and check it out and
I think we should.
get some branches trimmed.
I think so. So, we've got a big oak tree in front of our house here. So, we're going to try out this little saw. We'll see how it does.
Let me get close.
Whoop.
Well, that was fast. Okay, I don't want them all down. There's one more there you can take. Yeah, that one.
And oak is one of the hardest.
Yeah,
Cut
that's what I
anyways.
figured. If we tried it on here, if we can cut oak, it should be able
cut
to.
oak, it'll cut anything.
Well, maybe we should go and try some maple now.
There's a spruce that needs cut over there.
Okay, let's go there.
Let's go there.
Okay.
Okay, we got a spruce here. We'll give it a whirl. It's
So
hanging.
definitely a bigger branch.
Yeah. So we're about 2.5 inches here. So.
Well, that's pretty good size.
Other than all the sawdust in my face.
You want
That
to pull it
worked
right
pretty
down and see how big it is?
So this thing.
Yeah, you only put your hand around it and show how big it is. So that's pretty good size.
Yeah. It worked pretty good.
One more to
I'm
go.
quite impressed.
I am too. There's another.
Quite impressed with this little thing. It I haven't even charged it, and so it's come with fairly good charge on there.
Take one more little branch there, right that one.
Deadwood.
Yeah, right there in front of you is. There you go.
This thing's just amazing. Impressed, impressed, impressed.
Now you're not going to want to quit. I won't have any trees left by the time you're done.
Well, I know. They just keep trimming and trimming.
I'll have to guard my trees.
This is better than using the gas-powered chainsaw.
Yeah. Well, especially for the little guys, it's a lot easier. I can use that little guy. I could have fun with that.
Uh-oh.
So have a little close-up of that again.
Might have created a monster. So, if you're interested in this, I'm going to put all the info in the description. And I think you guys should get one of these.